In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates in Gmail and Google Workspace. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to craft templates that streamline your email process, whether it's for business or personal use. Let's get started by heading over to Google Workspace. Access your browser and enter the Google Workspace website. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Admin Console. This will take you to a platform designed to manage your apps and settings. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Use your business email to sign in by clicking Next or Sign In, whichever option you see. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Give it a click. This menu provides quick access to various Google apps, and today we're interested in accessing Gmail, so go ahead and select Gmail from the list. Now that you're in Gmail, let's dive into the settings. Look again to the top right corner of your Gmail interface, and you'll find the settings icon, usually depicted as a gear. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose See All Settings. This opens up a comprehensive settings page where you can adjust a variety of options within Gmail. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Advanced tab. As you explore this section, you'll notice a set of features that are not enabled by default. Among these is the Templates option, a hidden gem that we need to activate. Find the template setting and enable it by selecting the corresponding option. With templates enabled, it's time to compose a new email. Hit the Compose button to start drafting a message. This is where the magic of email templates truly begins. After typing out the content that you wish to use as a template, focus your attention on the bottom right corner of the Compose window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. These indicate more options. Clicking on them will reveal additional features available for your email draft, including the Templates option. Now from the drop-down menu, choose to save your draft as a new template. This is an essential step as it stores your crafted email for future use. It's great to note that you can manage and edit these templates anytime you need, keeping your responses both efficient and consistent, and there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created and saved an email template in Google Workspace. Take a moment to consider the uses of email templates in your daily routine, whether you're following up with clients, responding to inquiries, or even sending out regular newsletters. By using templates, you save time and ensure that your communication remains professional and consistent. Thank you for joining me today to learn about this productivity enhancing feature.